Ever wondered how to tackle those pesky pests in your garden without resorting to harsh chemicals? Organic pest control is not only a healthier choice for your garden, but it also does wonders for our environment. From aphids to slugs, we all encounter these common nuisances in our green spaces. But fear not, going green doesn't mean surrendering your garden to these invaders. Today, we're going to explore some simple, yet effective organic methods to keep those critters at bay. First things first, prevention is better than cure. The best way to handle pests in your garden is to stop them from becoming a problem in the first place. Crop rotation is a simple yet effective method. By changing what you plant in each area of your garden each season, you can interrupt the life cycle of pests, preventing them from becoming established. Next, consider companion planting. This involves pairing plants that benefit each other. Some plants naturally repel certain pests, while others attract beneficial insects that prey on pests. If pests do appear, don't panic. You can whip up homemade sprays from everyday items like garlic, chili peppers, or vinegar. These can deter many common garden pests without resorting to harmful chemicals. Finally, don't forget about natural predators. Birds, frogs, and certain insects can be a gardener's best friend, helping to keep pest populations in check. Remember, patience is key when it comes to organic pest control. It may take a little time, but the results are worth the wait. So there you have it, a simple guide to organic pest control. We've covered the fundamentals, highlighting the profound benefits of a natural approach. Remember, patience and persistence are your allies in this journey. With time, you'll see that garden pests can indeed be effectively managed the organic way. If you found this video helpful, show some love by hitting that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!